Alright guys, today we're doing an unboxing of Pokken Tournament DX for the Nintendo Switch. Here's the front, here's the side there, here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause it, I'm going to zoom in. I actually do enjoy the Nintendo Switch a lot, so I picked this up. I have this game on the Wii, but I never actually played it on the Wii. It's just because it's so inconvenient to play games. I like to play games portably now, so. Alright, here we go, guys. Ooh, it has a nice little cover in the back. Look at that, Pokken. There's Mewtwo, and then there's the game card. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing gameplay footage and a full review of this game.